This is part 2 of our lesson on the enclitic particle MUNA. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Welcome to the second part of our lesson on the enclitic particle MUNA, which is part of our huge topic on the Tagalog Enclitic Particles. Enclitic particles are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. Tagalog enclitic particles are hard to directly translate into English. Sometimes their meanings can only be approximated. They can have multiple meanings depending on the context. They aren't conjugated in the past, present, or future because their time reference is implied into the context. They also add flavor to the context of a phrase or a sentence. And sometimes, vocal tones can change the context of an enclitic particle. Contextually, the enclitic particle MUNA can mean to be first before anyone else or anything else, for the time being, in the meantime, or for now, and yet for negative commands or requests like the expression not yet. Let's talk about the second usage of the particle MUNA, which is for the time being, in the meantime, and for now. In this sense, MUNA conveys the temporary state of a subject matter. I'll talk about some sample sentences on this. But before we dive into our lesson, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Cool? Now, let's get into our sample sentences. The first set will feature some time expressions with the particle MUNA. These sentences convey doing an action during a particular time and not at any other time. Let's have a look. Ngayon muna ako maglalaba. I will wash clothes right now and not at any other time. Mamaya muna ako magluluto. I will cook later and not right now. Mamayang gabi ka muna manood. You watch tonight and not at any other time. Or, why don't you watch tonight? You can do other things right now. Bukas ka muna umalis. You leave tomorrow and not today. Or, why don't you leave tomorrow? You don't need to rush. Let me say again, as I have said in my last video, the personal pronoun ka or you in English is placed ahead of the particle. This is the only personal pronoun that has this rule. Remember that. Moving on. Sa Lunes muna siya papasok. He or she will go to work on Monday and not today. Or, he or she will go to school on Monday and not today. Sa isang linggo muna siya uuwi. He or she will come home next week and not anytime soon. Sa umaga muna kami maglilinis. We will clean in the morning and not right now. Or, let's clean up in the morning and not right now. Sa tanghali muna tayo mag-uusap. We will talk to each other at midday and not right now. Or, let's talk to each other at midday and not right now. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Let's move on to our sample sentences. This time, we will combine the particle MUNA with possessive pronouns. These sentences suggest temporary possession of something. Here goes. Sa akin muna ito. Let me have this for the time being. Sa iyo muna iyan. You have that for the time being. Sa atin muna iyon. Let us have that over there for the time being. Sa amin muna ang kotse. Let us have the car for the time being. Sa inyo muna ang bahay. You all have the house for the time being. Sa kaniya muna ang libro ko. Let him or her have my books for the time being. Sa kanila muna ang mga lapis ko. Let them have my pencils for the time being. Kay Peter muna ang computer. Let Peter keep the computer for the time being. Kay Marie muna ang susi ko. Let Marie keep my keys for the time being. Kina Peter at Marie muna ang mga gamit natin. Let Peter and Marie keep our things for the time being. Ayos ba? Hindi mahirap, di ba? It's not hard, right? And if you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to hit the like button because that will do wonders for this channel. All right? Now, let's have a look at our next sample sentences. These are some random expressions that use the particle muna. Here goes. Huwag muna. Not yet. Don't do it for now. Not for now. Huwag muna tayo umalis. Let us not leave yet, or let us not leave in the time being. Hindi muna. Not yet. No for now. Hindi muna ako magsasalita. I will not speak yet, or I will not speak for now. Wala muna. None for now, or none yet. Wala muna tayong gagawin. We will not do anything for the time being. Kaunti muna. Just a few for now. Kaunti muna ang kukunin ko. What I will take will just be a few for now. Or, I will take a few for now. Piso muna. Just a peso for now. Piso muna ang ibayad mo. A peso will be what you will pay for now. Or, you pay just a peso for now. That's about it for now. I have one more video on this subject, and in that, I will talk about using muna in sentences with actor-focused and object-focused verbs, and how the usage of these verbs affect the meaning of a sentence. I hope you catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.